If you want to install WhatsApp on your POCO X7 Pro, here's what you need to do. First of all, we can go to the Play Store, and you will need to have the Google account in order to, of course, access the Play Store. You might be immediately asked to sign in or sign up, so if you don't have an account, simply follow the instructions that you will see on the screen in order to register your account. Once you are done, what you need to do is tap Search over here at the bottom. Then at the top you have the search field, so let's tap here again, and then we can just enter WhatsApp. Once you enter the title of the name of the app, you should be able to find it pretty much immediately. So this is the app that we are looking for. Make sure that it is actually this one. It is made by WhatsApp LLC, so keep that in mind, and then just press install. After it is installed, which might take a couple of seconds or perhaps even more depending on the internet speed that you have, once you are done, you can simply open it and start using it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!